All right, this is the bearing base demonstration. What we've got here is we have a drawing. There are three orthographic projections of the bearing base. A bearing base is obviously a base for holding a bearing. All right, we have the top, front, and the right side. You will notice that we have letters and numbers representing different things, and we will use these to answer our questions. Our first question, line 23 is represented by what surface in the front view? So the first thing we have to do is locate line 23. It is located right here. Now the question gives you a hint in it. It says what surface? You know we have a line here, but it's going to be a surface in the front view. So when we take our drawing and we mentally turn it up, line 23 goes from here to this surface right here. So that surface would be 19. Everyone write down 19. Next question, number 2, line 9. In the front view, we locate line 9 in the front view. It is right here. Is what line in the top view?
36.
It is 36. If you take your straight edge, remember the correlation we showed you before between this line and this line, and you can see that 9 is 36. All right. All right. Question number 3. What type of line is A? We have a long, short, long. It is a center line. Okay? It is a center line. Number 4. Surface 28 is represented by what line in the side view?
33.
Surface 28 is right here. It is this entire surface, the entire inside curve of this piece. So it is represented by what in the side view? Now to get here, it's kind of interesting because what do we have to do? We have to rotate twice. First we rotate up, so to the forward view, we are now right here. And then we rotate to the left so we can see the right side view. Now, in the right side view, can we actually see this surface? We cannot. That is why it's represented as a hidden line. That is the point of tangency that is at the bottom of that circle. If you put your scale across here, you can see that line go straight across. So your answer is 32. Next question. Line 31 in the side view is what surface in the top view? So line 31 in the side view, which is here. What type of line is line 31? It is a hidden line. And you notice that we have a hidden line, a center line, and another hidden line. That should indicate to you that that is a hole. Okay? So we're right here inside of this hole. And we want to know what it is in the top view. Now be careful. Which way do I rotate the block? Right or left? I rotate the block to the right. Because we are going from the right side view to the front. We rotate to the right. And then we rotate down. So our answer is 30. Okay, let me show you the connection here on the paper. We went from 31, and we can see the bottom of 31 is the bottom here to here. So we know that our line is going to fall in this direction. We have a hidden line here and a hidden line here, and it lines up with the hole here. That one is tricky because you have 4 different holes, but 30 is the correct hole. So let's rotate through that one more time, okay? We started off here, 31 is here. We rotated it to here, just now here, and then we rotate to here. All right. The next question, what type of line is F? Hidden line, we just answered that one. Line 3 in the side view, line 3 in the side view is here, is what line in the front view? So we will simply lay our straight edge across, and what do you see? What else do you see? 5. Now, If you'll notice on 3, it only has one line. Why is that? You're looking at it from the side, and we have what is called line precedence. If I'm looking straight down at this object, even though 2 lines exist, I can only see one of them. Okay? So the correct answer is 4 and 5. All right. Surface 19 in the front view. Our entire large surface right here is represented by what in the side view? 20, because we rotate to the left to get to the right side view. Okay. Line 21 in the side view is represented by what line in the top view? So line 21 in the side view is right here. Which way do I rotate? To the right. And then I rotate up, so it becomes 18. This line right here. Very good. What type of line is B? B. It is a object line or a solid line. Okay?
Will you tell me where 18 is really quick? I don't see it on my paper.
18 is the top,
Oh, up
back.
there. I thought you were going on this one. So I'm
Okay.
sorry. So number 9 is 18.
Correct. Number
Okay,
9
so
is
I had to
18.
find it. Okay.
On line 22 is what line in the front view? Let's find line 22. Line 22 is on the top view. We want to know what line it is on the front view. That's as simple as lining up our straight edge, and the answer is 25. Surface 33 in the front view is right here. And we want to know what line is it in the front view. We're going to hurt here, and we're going to turn our object to the right, so it is 9. 33 becomes 9. Very good. Surface 24 is what line in the top view? Let's find surface 24. Surface 24 is this entire surface. So we turn to the right, it becomes 25, and then it becomes 22. What type of line is K? We've had this once before. It is a center line. Very good. Line 6 is what surface in the top view? Line 6 is right here. So when we turn our object up, it should simply be 15. What type of line is J?
Leader line.
That is not correct. It is an extension line. It is an extension line. An extension line shows us that we are measuring from this point to this point. We also have extension lines down here and here. X, for example, measures from this line to this line. All right. Our next question, line 17, is what line in the side view?
35.
Line 17 is right here. Line 17 is it is a hole. And remember, a hole is represented by a circle, which by definition is a line that does what? Is a single line that changes every point. Very good. All right, so we're going to take 17 and we are going to the side view, which is going to be over here. So if we have to move it twice, first we will turn it up to the front view where it becomes 35. Then we rotate the block left. So the answer is 34. Very good. All right. Line H. If line J is a extension line, line H is a dimension line. It will have the dimension. Where X is a variable here, that will actually be a dimension. All right. Number 19. What type of line is C. It is simply a solid line. It does happen to be a curved line. It is a circle, but it's just simply a solid line. The type of line is a solid line. Okay? Line 8 is what surface in the top view. Line 8 is right here. It's a line in this view, and it is a surface in the top view. So we go from here to here, and it is 12. Okay? What type of line is D? A hidden line. This hidden line is the point of tangency for the bottom of the arc that is labeled number 26. But the correct answer is, it is a hidden line. Line 5 in the front view, which is right here, is what line in the side view? 3. Very good. Remember, line 4 is also represented by line 3. You can see that by laying your straight edge across. What type of line is E? Solid line. Very good. What type of line is G? Extension. Good. And that makes I? Dimension line. All right. You will use this type of drawing. Line and surface A and B are both this type of drawings. The idea is to help you learn how to rotate these objects in your mind to see the projection drawings.